So you press like so, white, and the mist will blow out. If you pop it open, ba-bam! Aba, okay to TikTok YouTube mask, unisex face cover with disco lights. Filter Halloween rave facial mouth party for 329 pesos. Add to cart. Hey everyone, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life and tech, and face masks. This is the How Wawa TikTok YouTube hot unisex face cover with LED lights. Sells for 329 pesos. Naka-sale siya, 50% off. And apparently it has 7 LED lights and you can cycle through it. Pwede different colors. Pwede papalit-palit. We will test it out, check it out, and I'll let you guys know if makukuryente ako sa pawis ko pag naglakad ako gamit to. Let's go! So very quick unboxing. It comes in this Ziploc pack. And then if buksan natin siya, meron siyang filter. You have this filter to be able to make sure that droplets don't go in and out. We have a charging cable, micro USB, and then you have the mask itself. So ramdam mo talaga there is a device inside which will probably power the lights, and I can actually feel the wires. And then this over here is the charging port, so you can charge the face mask. And then to turn it on, I think you just have to press you just have to press that. OMG. Wow. So I think you can cycle through different colors. You have green, blue, yellow, light blue, purple, white, disco in white. Looks really weird. Pulsating through different colors. So if you want to feel like a Christmas tree, and then faster cycle through the colors, a little bit slower. This one is really more on the, oh wow, this is crazy. And then turn off. So testing natin siya. Adjust natin ng konti so it covers the nose. And then let's press the button for the light somewhere here. Oh, you know. So this is in the red LED light. Change it. Green. I don't know if that's blue. Some sort of yellow. Light blue. Purple. White. Disco effect. And then pulsing different colors or changing colors. And then again, another mode. Wow. Boom. Okay, so now apart from that very hipster colorful mask, I also have a couple more of gadgets that I wanted to bring to your attention. Now, let's say you are looking for a sprayer for alcohol. This one, tong tip na to, nakuha ko to from Mary Bautista. So this is easily the nicest sprayer I've ever seen. So it literally jets out the alcohol in big volumes so that hindi pawisik-wisik. So I'll show you an example. So you press like so. So at least alam niyo gano'n siya, kalibutan ko may aircon eh. So nung nag-spray ako, pumunta sa bibig ko, di ba? So but anyway, so this one, you can just refill it. It's called Designed in Holland. So I'll put a link down below if you want this, but it sprays really well. So as you guys can see, and it doesn't take up too much like squirts for you to be able to get a good amount of alcohol on your hand. So this is one of those items that you leave at the top of your desk. And if you want to sanitize your hand, all you have to do is put it on top and the mist will blow out the alcohol so that you can get alcohol on your palm or on your hand. So it is one of those automated ways. It's also rechargeable. You can recharge it via micro USB. So if you want to constantly sanitize your hand while you're at your desk without needing to get like a sprayer, you can get that motion sensor device. So again, the links to the masks, those two alcohol sprayers, can be found down below in the description box. And the last item that I want to share with you from my latest Lazada haul is from Cole Haan. So you guys probably know of Cole Haan. They are a shoe brand. They burst into a scene with their 0 grand line of, well, formal shoe/sneakers, but now they're going hard into lifestyle sport shoes. This sneaker is called the 0 grand Overtake Runner. And the good news is Cole Haan is now available on Lazada, and they are on 15% off until the end of the month. So if you are looking to buy Cole Haan sneakers, now is the best time to do so while there is a discount on Lazada. So as you guys can see, nice black box, 0 grand logo, black and yellow at the top, If you pop it open, ba-bam! I went for the crazy colorway. So this one, you have a very breathable knit upper. You have red laces with white accents. You have that really awesome 0 Grand midsole, Grand 360, that's what they're calling it, which is super comfortable, amazing cushioning and bounce and energy response. And you have this solid track pattern at the bottom, which should help you with grip while you are walking. And if you take a look at the shape, it's not straight out flat, so it should help well with the overall comfort of your steps. Now the good news is this one usually sells for 10,000, 9,995, but because of the 15% off, you can actually buy it in different colorways for around 8.5. So this one is in the blue and yellow and white and red. But there is also, just taking a look at the site, let me just take a quick look. They have a black and brown one, and they have a blue and brown one. I just went for the craziest color that I could find. So yeah guys, make sure that you check out the Cole Haan shop over at Lazada. The link to all of the items that I've featured so far, including, I still can't get over this mask. I mean, of all the items I've ever bought from Lazada, this has got to be the craziest face mask ever. I mean, take a look at that. Di pa rin ako makaget over eh. Panalo talaga eh, di ba? Sobrang nakakaaliw eh. So, but yeah. The problem, by the way, of this face mask is that the bands are a little bit too, how do I say this, too short. So if you have a big face like me, there is a tendency for the mask to stick too close to your mouth. So if you are like me who has a big face, this mask isn't for you. But hey, if you have normal sized faces, then that might work for you guys. Now, 2 more things before we wrap up the vlog. Let me just remind everybody that I recently launched a new vlog, a new YouTube channel that talks about watches. So if you're interested about Japanese watches, from G-Shocks to Seikos and eventually Swiss-made watches like Rolexes and stuff like that, please do check it out. The link to my new watch YouTube channel can be found down below. I recently reviewed a nice G-Shock, and I also reviewed a pretty sick Seiko. Now, apart from that, I also want to remind you guys that we are doing a giveaway. We are giving away a Saucony Azura in your size. As in your size. If you win, I will look for your size and ship you that shoe so you can actually wear it. O, di ba panalo? So make sure that you guys subscribe to the channel, and then the link to the rest of the mechanics of that particular giveaway is in the video link below. So click that video, watch it, and then you can see what you need to do to be able to join the giveaway. I'll be drawing the winner this Sunday already, so that's just in a couple of days. So make sure that you're part of the pool. Okay, and with that said, tama na talaga guys. I hope you're all doing fine. I hope you all have an amazing weekend up ahead. And as usual, peace, God bless. What's up? Boom.